Creating a parallax effect in Wix. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to create a parallax effect on your Wix website. So without further ado, let us begin. So the first thing that you're going to do first is to choose the section or background that you want to add the parallax effect to. So for example, I'll use this background over here. So I'll just click on this background. And then from here, what you want to do is to click on scroll effect added over here. And then from here, what you want to do is to choose the parallax scroll effect. They also have some different scroll effects right here like reveal, 3D, skew, close up, fade back, pull back, rotate, pan right, pan left, zoom in, zoom out, fade in, and fade out. So feel free to check this section out, but for the meantime, I'll just use the parallax effect. There you go. And then once you're done, you can now exit out of there and make sure to click on save to save your changes. And then after that, you can now preview your site to see if the parallax effect is working. So I'll just click on preview right here. And then after that, I'll just scroll down in this section. And then as you can see, there is a parallax effect happening with this background. And then that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to create a parallax effect in Wix. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.